Hello everyone and welcome again. And so in this video, I will be doing a quick walkthrough of the course so that you can find where everything is that you need for the course to be successful and some additional resources that may be necessary for you. So once you log in, if I'm not mistaken, if we haven't changed anything, you will be at the announcements page. Now this is where I will be posting announcements about what is due, what is upcoming, and those type of things, right? And so anything that is important will be sent out via your announcement, and it also goes automatically to your email address, okay? Now, if you would like to kind of get a little bit of a welcome and to kind of get an overview of what is expected of you and how you can be successful in this course, I strongly recommend that you watch the welcome video. So you literally just click here and it will take you out to the welcome video, but we're not going to watch it today. This is just to kind of tell you how to get to it. And it also has a little bit of information about me, so we can get a little bit more sociable, and you can learn a little bit more about your instructor. All right, so now from the announcement page, you will see on the left-hand side your tabs, okay? Now, of course, your course may be different, the semester may be different, but this is just an overview in general. If you're in one of my courses, the setup is gonna be the same. So if you wanna dive into the course, you go to Start Here. Now in Start Here, if you recall in the announcement in your email, and if you've watched the welcome video, I do have a no-show assignment that I keep referring to, right? So this is where you will find the no-show assignment. So you click on the no-show assignment, no-show participation quiz, and then you will just click and enroll and start doing it. Now, you do not have to get everything right. The no-show participation quiz is actually not a part of your grade, but it is necessary for you to do it in order for me to not drop you from the course. All right, so however, in order for you to do the no-show participation quiz, you have to read the syllabus. So let's go back to Start Here. That is where the syllabus will be. And so if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see syllabus. And so once you click on that, you'll be able to view the syllabus, review it, and then you can answer the questions that are on the no-show quiz. Now, since we're here at the syllabus, let's kind of go through the syllabus, okay? The syllabus has my contact information. Now, this is not my direct phone. I do not have a direct phone, but once you call here, if you have anything to ask or any concerns, you can let the receptionist know and I will get the message, okay? But the best way to reach me, like I always say, is via email, allowing 24 hours for a response, or 48 hours if you're sending an email over the weekend. Now, there is a textbook that we use to guide this course. However, we have everything built in the system for you. So you do not have to worry about purchasing a textbook. You do not have to worry about downloading a textbook. So everything is built in for you. Now, I always make mention to a reference, a pacing calendar, or a calendar overview of your assignments that are due. So let me show you where that is on your syllabus. So if we go all the way down towards the end of it, you will see here it is. So this is what I say you can print out and have just as a reference for you to know when everything is due. But I'm going to also show you how you can find this on Blackboard as well. But everything is outlined here. Remember, I mentioned in the welcome video, if you watched it, that there are some discussions that are due for your modules. So here you can see module 1 has a discussion. It also has the work ethics assignment that you need to complete by January 21st, right? And again, if you're watching this video and you're in a different semester, everything is outlined. The dates may be different, but it's the same information that you will need, okay? All right, and so now that we've looked at the syllabus, let's kind of look at what else is here at the start here. My information, the instructor contact information, is here for you at your leisure if you would like to. It's not a lot about me here because I put a lot about me in the welcome video, so you can go and watch that. But just in case you can't get the syllabus handy, it's right here for you, my email and everything else. Now, Start Here also has a calendar, this is where I was saying you can come here to look at your course schedule. This outlines all of your assignments that are due. And so even though you're not seeing them here on this screen, this is because I'm your instructor, but you should be able to see the first module is due January 14th. So you will see that there, okay? But you'll see all of your modules are due when they're due. And so you can use this to kind of keep up with your assignments and make sure you're submitting them on time. So that should be just about it for this course. But of course, for this course in terms of your Start Here tab. But of course, there are other things that you may need or that may be of resource to you that is here. So for instance, your academic calendar that outlines everything for your entire institution, as well as support for Blackboard proctoring. This is going to be important for you if your course has a proctoring assignment. So for instance, if you're in my Math 11 course, there is a proctoring exam. That's going to be your final exam. It is proctored. And what that means is you cannot use your notes. And so that is why I always say, make sure you're taking notes as you go so that you can keep up with your assignments, or you can keep up with the content that you're covering in this class, so that you can use it as a study resource when you're studying for your final exam. Because again, you're watching videos and you're learning the material. So it's important for you to take notes so you can have a resource when you're studying for the final exam at that. Okay, now below Start Here, I'm gonna go next on the left-hand tab again. I'm gonna go next to assignments. So this is where you're gonna find all of your assignments. Now they open 2 weeks before they're due. So module 1 is due January 21st, so it's open now. And you can go in, once you click on it, you can go in and you will see what's going to be covered. So for instance, we're looking at functions and function notations, as well as domain and range. And you will click on Apply Assignment. That's where everything is. So here you see we have your work ethic discussion. That's due, so you just click on it and go in and do the discussion. Your discussion board as well, your linear equation, this is also going to be due. You click on it as well, and you go in and you do it. This is all due January 21st. Next is your module itself. So you click on it, and then once you go in, you click on your lesson 1, you click on your lesson 1 homework, and you click on your lesson 1 assignment, okay? So it's going to be important that you're doing all of this. Now, not all modules have a discussion, but for the ones that do, you have to do everything within that module by its deadline. Okay. Now I'm going back to the tab on the left-hand corner. I don't believe we'll be meeting video WebEx. So let's go to calendar. So this is an easy way for you to get to your assignments and when they're due. Okay. Now, big thing that everybody always asks about is their grades. Okay. So if you want to see your grade, you can come here. And so it will tell you your grade for every activity or everything that's needed. And then it will give you your total grade. So what you're going to want to look at is your weighted grade. That's going to be the grade for the course. So you can watch that as it goes, as you complete your assignments. I cannot tell you if you fail this assignment, what you're going to make on the final. If you pass this assignment, what you're going to make on the final, or what you're going to make overall in the course. I cannot tell you that because there are so many assignments that you have to do. So my suggestion to you is to do everything to the best of your ability. Try to get as high as possible because you can do the assignments multiple times until the due date. So I strongly suggest do the assignments as much as you can to get as high a grade as you can, okay? And do them on time, right? Submit them before they're due or on the due date, all right? So that's all really. So, everything is here for you at your disposal. But if you still have questions after watching the welcome video and after watching this overview walkthrough video of the course, feel free again to reach out to me, to contact me. Again, my information is on the syllabus and it's also in the instructor contact information. All right. So let's make this semester a great one. All righty. Good luck.